Welcome to Pentagon 2000's presentation of ILS Bridge Module. The ILS Bridge Module allows visibility of available parts in the ILS database from within the phone order, quote, sales order, and auto source modules. This capability will allow sales personnel to know which vendors have the requested part numbers in stock and the quantities available from each of those vendors. We will first demonstrate the functionality within the phone order module. First, an existing phone order is opened or a new phone order is created. Next, several part numbers are added to the phone order. After the phone order parts have been entered, you may use the ILS Bridge to research availability from ILS vendors. Simply select the ILS source flag and then left-click the ILS source button. A list of available parts and the suppliers from which they are available will appear. The ILS Bridge is also available in the quote and the sales order. The ILS Bridge module operates slightly different in the auto source module. Lines from the selected quote or sales order will appear in the Dock Lines section of the window. Left-click the Connect button in the External Interfaces group box to use the ILS Bridge module. When the External Sources Interface window appears, mark the Direct ILS flag, mark the lines that should be researched, and left-click the Go button on the window toolbar. After the system has queried ILS, left-click the View button in the External Interfaces group box and select View Standard. To view the results, left-click the Availability button. The list of results will appear. Lines that correspond to an existing vendor record in your system will not be highlighted, and vendor information can be viewed by double-clicking the line. The Supplier Info tab displays information imported from ILS. The Our Vendor tab displays information from the related vendor file within your system. You may also add a supplier to your vendor list from within this window. You will notice there is no information on the Our Vendor tab for lines that are highlighted. To add the vendor, left-click the Add button on the Supplier Info tab and follow the system prompts. The Our Vendor tab will now be populated. You also have the option to mark vendors to populate the Auto Source window. Ensure the flags on the applicable lines are marked and left-click the Post button on the window toolbar. The vendor information will appear in the Source History section of the window.